Is it recording? Oh, it's recording. All right. Welcome to day 2, guys. I have very sad news, but this is just the beginning of the journey. We're gonna be demo trading again today. Let's go ahead and let's read through this thread together. All right. It's done, right? I've sent my messages, but alright, could you please elaborate on what you meant as it auto-closed positions I wanted open? Originally I said, hoping the team can reset it to the balance before the trades as it auto-closed positions I wanted open. Originally I said that because what if the positions had gone up? To clarify, when an account breaches our rules, it is disabled and all positions are automatically closed. Unfortunately, it appears that your account did violate the drawdown limit, so we are unable to reinstate it. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please let us know. Thank you for your understanding. Best regards, Mark. So this is very concerning for us, right? I said, hi Mark, this was my concern. I know for a fact I didn't breach, which I know and you guys are going to see, and it did not auto-close all the positions. Of course, full porting is stupid, but I was full porting. I had 3 2-lot positions and a 1-lot. It closed out 2 out of 4 of these positions and the other 2 were still running. This is why I kept stating that it didn't auto-close all the positions and it would skew the information, but appeared nobody wanted to fix the issue for me and they kept repeating that they sent my info over to the team. So you can see I sent them this picture here, which is over here, right? You can see $30,000 down. There's still 2 positions running, an account that they said all the positions should have auto-closed, right? It should have auto-closed. I can't close them. You see this? Trading's disabled. If all positions were auto-closed, why are there still 2 open positions running? I do believe this skewed whatever was done to verify whether it was breached or not. Hello, I will assign this ticket over to Mark. He will get back to you within 24 hours. I said, thank you, sir. I would also like to add that if you look at the date of the breach, 23/7/24, because they do it in like the way Europeans do the date, right? So 7/23/24 in America. In my open positions, the first day the account was traded after the reset of the previous false breach that I was told was a false breach and got the account back. I opened 4 separate positions at 11:39. You can see at 11:44 the false breach point where 2 of those 4 positions are closed. The other 2 left open, me unable to close them because the account was breached. If you do the math, closing the other 2 positions at the same time, that's 160 plus 160 plus 160 plus 87, which is nowhere near the max daily drawdown of a 100k, which is 4,000. Once again, the account now sits at 30k in drawdown because the other 2 positions failed to auto-close at the time that your system detected a breach of rules, right? And then I send him this picture saying the top 6 lines is where this is shown, right? So if we look over here, right? If we really look, okay? This is the last day I traded it, right? 18/07/24. Then I got the account back because it was falsely breached, okay? The first day I traded it, July 23rd, at 11:39, 11:39, 11:39, 11:39. You can see we place buy, opening, 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 okay? Boom. Then at 11:44, what's this? 2 of the 4 positions closed. The other 2 are left open. Okay. Now, let's see here. I don't want to spoil anything on how big my brain is here. Top 6 lines is where this is shown. Okay, yeah. So the next image is, you can see here, right? And you can't see it very well. So we'll come over here. You can see July 23rd, 2024, 11:44 is where these 2 were closed out. At the same time, this email here, let me refresh just so you guys know. I'm not skewing this. I'm not doing the inspect shit. None of that bullshit. It's here, 11:44, for whatever reason, puts account number identified as account number undefined, which makes it difficult for me to prove anything. But I'm hoping the fact that it has the timestamp paired in the same date, paired with when these are closed, that shows the false breach, okay? And I say, and this shows the breach ticket is marked with a time punch of 11:44 a.m. Hope all of this is helpful in fixing the issue. And when I'm right, because I know I am, can we like move this account to a separate account so I don't have to do this all again, considering this is the second time this account has flagged for false breach? Thank you guys. I appreciate you as always. Trying to stay professional as this is all very frustrating, but I realize at the end of the day, you guys are just doing your job. Most of you. Most of you meaning those who didn't close the fucking positions like I told them to, because that is the only reason they can say this account is breached, is because there's 2 positions running that show the equity at fucking 69,000. It's currently 8:52. I'll see you guys in 8 to 18 minutes when we do our pre-market analysis and we place our demo trades, because 1-of-1 funding is fucking us in the ass. Alright, so as you can see, we got fucking high impact news at 10 a.m. I don't think this will actually move the market that much though. On the 4-hour chart, we still, oh dude, we're technically bearish, right? But like, fuck, you know, because like this is the break of structure, this is the last leg down, so like we held this order block. You know what I'm saying? We held this 4-hour order block, so I kind of want to be bullish again, right? Like we looked for the push through this level yesterday, right? We didn't really create as big of wicks as we did last time. Like I think this is gonna give us the push through, and I guess I'm blessed that we're on demo right now, because fuck me, man, you know, like I do genuinely think this should run bullish, but there's no guarantee. We've got to start looking at the 1-hour ones just in case, you know. If we do something wonky inside of any of them. There's one here. I'm not going to mark it out. There's a tiny one there. Yeah, so the idea basically right now is going to be, I mean, if we sweep these highs, I could start looking for shorts, right? Because the idea is we're going to pull back, what, 130? It's only 100 points. Oh, fuck. I don't know. I don't know if we pull all the way back down there, realistically, as well. Like, we've already tapped this order block. Why would we need to come back down into it, you know? We should just shoot off. I don't know! Okay, I'll be back with a trade recap. It's all about reading the markets, right? So I'll be back with a trade recap. I'm not gonna record myself going through everything live because it's a pain in the ass to edit. So, okay, so the entry's in. We entered here. We had a break of structure here on the 1 minute. If we go to the 5 minute, also news came out, right? We were straight down. We actually hit the 1 hour fair value gap. We had the break of structure on the 1 minute, and we had we held this 1 minute fair value gap, right? Came up, broke structure, held this 1 minute fair value gap. I entered on this wick. Our target is here. Risk to reward of 1 to 4.81. Our stop loss is 215. Our take profit is 1,035. I'll be back when this trade either is take profit or stop loss. So this is what the trading journal's for, right? This is why I refuse to trade 1 minute market structure from now on. I watched too many of TJR's streams. You know, his strategy is based around not entering on the 1 minute. Now I enter on the 1 minute. I shouldn't be waiting for that, right? 5 minute structure is very telling, right? You would have wanted to see this candle come up and close above these highs. We didn't have that. We got edged, and we continued pushing lower. Again, the 1 minute, we did have this very clean boom up move. Okay, we didn't break structure here, right? We come back down. Okay, new high. Okay, right, we break structure here, we come down, we hold this fair value gap very nicely, we have this nice push higher, things are looking good, and then we just collapse again because higher time frames are very telling, and we didn't get that move that we wanted. So we're out for $210, whatever the total is on the week. I'll put that here, and then if I enter for another trade, I'll let you guys know. If not, deuces.